Hey guys, welcome back. School's started here after summer vacation and the busy days started here in Dubai. Prepared a simple snack, an easy chocolate cake. I would share the recipe in this video. So the first step in the baking is to line the tray or grease the tray. And then I have taken a quarter cup of curd, half cup of oil, and any oil, cooking oil can be used. Now I'm adding 3/4 cup of milk. All this should be mixed together using a whisk, and just mix it. When all it's completely mixed together, you can add 1 cup of sugar and then mix again. You can see now how creamy it has become. So till then you have to mix and add the dry ingredients. I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now using a spatula, gently mix the dry and the wet ingredients together. Don't over mix it as the cake won't be soft. Just mix it slowly so that everything binds together. Should be in this consistency, just flowing, not too watery or too thick. Now after mixing, I'm going to just pour it in the cake tray, and you can see the consistency, how it is running. I'll show it again. This is how the cake batter should be. So the consistency of the cake batter will reflect in the texture of the cake once it is baked. So this cake, it will be too soft and moistured. You can see after I bake it. Just I'm tapping it and placing it in the oven, and I have set for 30 minutes in 180 degree. You can check with a toothpick or a knife. If there is no dough sticking onto the knife, it is done. And just leave it for cooling down for few minutes, and then you can slide over the sides with a knife and remove it. This is so easy recipe. Even if you are new to baking, you can try this out. And this came out really well, so soft, fluffy and moistened, and the taste was also very good. Do try this recipe, and if you feel this video was useful to you, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.